Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is an apple cake which is delicious and super easy to make. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need 3 eggs which you'll crack in a bowl, and let's mix it with a mixer. Then let's add some sugar. I'm using 150 grams. Till you get this consistency. After, add 250 milliliters of yogurt and mix it again. Then add 50 milliliters of oil and some lemon zest. And mix it again. In another bowl, add 300 grams of flour and tablespoons, I'm using 2, of baking powder. Now let's combine 2 mixtures. Cut 2 big apples into fourths. Then take out the seeds, but you don't have to peel them. Then let's cut them into small slices. In your baking form, let's prepare the mixture. And now layer the apples. I use it in a form of a rose, this way. Then send it to the oven in 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. When it's all done, let it sit and cool down, and after you can plate it. And this is the result. Cut in and try it out. It's super easy and very delicious to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.